Mail.yahoo.com. How to set up Yahoo Mail on PC. Now, if you want to set up, maybe you're trying to create an account or maybe you're trying to log into your Yahoo account on your PC. It's very simple. You want to go to mail.yahoo.com. Now, first of all, on the top, you can say sign up or sign in. Now, if you don't have an account, you're trying to set it up for the first time, you can go to the sign up button that you'd be able to find here. Then just make sure to enter the email and the password that you'd like to use and just choose a certain email address of your choice that you want to use. And you can also go ahead and then make sure to choose your password right here. Then once you choose your password, you can enter your birthday, birth month, as well as also the birth year. Click on the next option to go ahead and then set up your password. Now, after that, your Yahoo account will be successfully created. If you want to, by the way, log into your existing account, you can go to the sign in button right here and just make sure to enter your email, mobile, or username. Click the next option and you'll be successfully logged in to your Yahoo Mail account after you enter your password. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.